How to isolate vocals using WavePad. First of all, open the WavePad on your computer. Next, open the audio file you want to work with by clicking on the File menu and selecting Open File, or simply press Ctrl+O for quick access. Once the file is loaded, go to the Voice tab located at the top toolbar. Now, from the drop-down menu, select the option titled Isolate Voice. A new window will appear, allowing you to fine-tune the vocal isolation settings. In this window, you will see a reduction option, which controls how much of the background or unwanted sound you want to reduce. Select the available settings to isolate the vocals as clearly as possible. You can also use the preview button to listen to the effect before finalizing it. If you are not satisfied, you can tweak the settings to improve the clarity or reduce background noise further. Once you are happy with the result, click Apply to perform the vocal isolation. Finally, save the edited version by going to File and selecting Save As to preserve the original file. And that's it. Now you know how to isolate vocals using WavePad. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.